Today is the 3rd of March 2021, which is a Wednesday, and the time right now is 10:46 p.m. Budapest time. And in this video, I'm going to show you my daily results with Mohini Trade, probably the strongest Forex trading robot in the world. So let's take a look at my day here on the DAX 30 chart, and I'm using the M5 zoom. And my day begins somewhere here between the 2nd and the 3rd. You see that little gap at the tip of my finger? Well, this is how it started. It started with a little bit of a sideways motion, which turned into a bullish action, then some breakout. All-time high, people. DAX 30 all-time high right there. And then a little sideways motion, then a drop, but not deep enough, unfortunately. And then a little bit of a bearish sideways motion, and the day ends thusly. So what should I say? Was it a good day? Yeah, it was. Was it tradable? Sure, it was. Did I make some mistakes? Yeah, I did some technical mistakes. Nothing major though, but I should have known when we were getting close to an all-time high that I should have turned off the buy robots. All the robots that put buy positions, because now I'm full of buy positions on the top because there's an upward motion. The robot is probably triggered. Oh, it's going up. So let's buy some up, some up and buy positions. But now I have a bunch of buy positions very close to the all-time high. So what are the chances that it's going to go up again? Well, not 50-50, let me tell you that much. Anyways, it's not a horrible day. I'm just going to have a lot of positions. And also from yesterday, if you watch my videos, you should know that yesterday what I did, I actually started working with Mohini Chief. And my first move was to disable the restriction on the authorized time intervals of trading on the sell position robots. Meaning that if you watch my videos, you should know that I set my robots to trade between the hours of 8:30 a.m. and 10 p.m. Of course on weekdays only. But yesterday morning, like very early morning, I'm talking about 1 a.m., I turned on this button in Mohini Chief, which allowed all the sell positions to be placed by all the robots that place sell positions. So I woke up to a $50 profit, which is awesome. But later the day, I still had a bunch of sell positions. And even today, I have a bunch of sell positions. But let's not rush ahead. Let's take a look at my results. I sorted them by the time of closing. So you can see it's just penny profits. Here and there, there's a $5 one. There's a little bit of a loss. Look at that, the 47-cent one. Yes, there it is. There's, penny profits, $3, $4, $12. Now that's a biggie. $4, $5, $4, $3. So nothing major. Oh, there's a $10 and a $15. And you can see this is the punchline. I had accumulated, or better yet, Mohini Trade accumulated $102.75 of profit today, which I believe is decent. So I should not be a sore loser, or I shouldn't be an ungrateful bastard either. So I'm just trying to tell you that, of course, I appreciate even $100. That's a lot of money, considering it could have been a loss or it could have been $0. So it's a lot more than $0, or way more than any losses that I've ever seen. So technically, I'm grateful for this too, although I'm trying to learn from my mistakes. And here are my open positions just to put a face on my mistakes. Look, here are a bunch of buy positions that it opened today. You see the date. It's mostly in the afternoon, so buy positions. And look at the sell positions from the 2nd, which is yesterday. Sell positions. I'm just going to open it. I'm trying to make it bigger so you can see it. So look, all these sell positions. And in total, I have a little bit over 640 US dollars in open positions. So you see the sell positions are not a problem. I'm actually closer to the sell positions than I'm closer to the top, to the buy positions, because the buy positions, look, those are dangerously huge. What are the chances that it would go up again? Well, I don't know. I don't know what are the chances. I'm not good at math. Well, not that good at math. So whatever. I'm just thinking that the sell positions are too low, the buy positions is too high, and I'm kind of stuck between the two. And I'm by having these open positions, I'm kind of using little like inefficiently. I'm using the robot's trading capacity very inefficiently. All right, finally I could put together this sentence. All right, so let's take a look at my MyFX book results. I'm just going to refresh the screen to silence the doubters. Now let's refresh it. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Are we going to get an ad or not? Let's see. Yeah, it's just so slow, and it's not the iPad. I don't know why. It's the website, because I have gigabit internet. So anyway, let's start with my gain. 693.16%. It's almost 700%, people, which is freaking amazing. And I'm not even yet 3 months old trader, because I started trading on the 7th of December, and today's what? The 3rd of March. So it's not even the 7th of March. All right, so my absolute gain is 436.54%, which is super amazing. Take a look at this up and running red line. So it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. My daily percentage is 2.30%. My monthly is a little bit lower than a few days ago when it was exactly 100 or close to 100. Now it's closer to 96.58%, which is not the end of the world. Take a look at my results. Right now I have $8,242.68, of which my equity is only $7,573.74. What a weird number to say. But anyway, so I believe this is pretty good. Now let's add up all the money that I have right now. Initially, I started out with $2,000 on the 2nd of December. That's when I deposited. And on the 7th of December, that's when I started trading. So technically, out of the $2,000, I made this. Plus, I also have a $2,000 account, which I almost forgot to show you. I have another account. I'm trading on this account very conservatively. Let me show you my history, my results for the day. So today with this, so what you got to know about this account, it's only $2,000 capital with 2 sets running, and the robot itself is not a purchased one. On the previous account, it is a purchased robot. On this one, it's a robot that I rent by the month for $100 a month, and it's making me almost $30, $29.34. That's what it made for me today. I started running this robot a week ago, actually a week and a half ago. So let's see what my month looks like, or how much. I'm gonna see the all-time results. Come on, hurry up. All right. So this is what the robot traded me so far, and the total is $230.88, which is pretty awesome. After how many days? Today was the 8th trading day. So I'm planning on running it for 20 days a month. Obviously, that's a month, 20 trading days. So on the 8th day, I have this much. So I have 2 more days to come up with at least $70. That way I can tell that the robot's gonna approximately hit the target, because I wanted it to make somewhere between 600 and 800. Well, if it makes 500, I'm not gonna cry. I was gonna make any number, but I aimed it to make 600 and 800. Now I see that 800 is not doable. Also, I have some open positions, and this is also due to a technicality. It's a big number on this account, but it's really not that dangerous. Take a look at my balances, $2,230.95. My equity is exactly that much minus my open positions, which is $2,160.13. So technicality on this account is that Monday morning I woke up to Mohini Trade not working at all. It was managing the positions, but it was not able to open, it was able to close, but it was not able to open new positions. And it turns out there's some coding problems. Well, not problems, but they forgot some sort of a time lock in the program. So we had to do like an emergency update, which is no biggie. I did it. Unfortunately, I had to wait to run out. I couldn't close. Well, let me start all over again. So we did the technical upgrade, but I either had to close the position manually. That would have caused me damage of whatever number that was back then. So it would have caused me some loss, or I have the option to let it run, and when the market hits that spot again, then it's gonna just cash out fine without any negatives. Since it's a very small account with very small profits, I can't afford to close it at this price, so I'm gonna let it just go. And of course, it accumulates swap fees, so you can see the swap fees are accumulating there. But I couldn't care less. I don't want this to be $69. I mean, I hope it's gonna it's gonna cash out before we reach, I don't know, 100 days or so, because I believe after 100 days, that's how much I would pay, like about 60 some dollars in swap fees. So I hope we'll never get to that. So technically what I did, I stopped the buy robot, and I could upgrade that because the buy robot at the time did not have any open positions. So the buy robot's already running 4.08, and I started another 4.08 sell robot, but I'm also running this, and this exposure, this amount, these two positions are actually managed by 4.06 robot. Or I would have had the choice to kill that robot and just close it manually whenever I see fit. But what if the market hits ground zero overnight and I'm not awake? Then let the robot handle it. So technically that's it, people. That was my video for the day. If you like my results, please feel free to drop me a line. In the description box, there's my email. Drop me a line. Let's hook it up. I want to get you started. I can get you started with this robot, and you can rent it for a dime and a penny, and you can make good profit on the internet. So let me know if you're excited about this as I am, and let's talk. All right. Thank you so much for your unyielding attention. I'm wishing you all the best, and see you next time. Ciao, ciao.